When you walk into a dental clinic, there's just one question running through your mind. Can I trust this person with my smile? Answer of this question usually comes down to one thing: experience. But what does actually experience means? It is just years passing by, a number on certificate hanging on the wall? Not quite. 28 years of experience means thousands of patients, thousands of different stories, every single one with a different dental structure, a different fear, a different dream. 29 years means learning from the cases that didn't go as planned. In that time, dentistry changed, technology advanced, materials are evolved, and techniques are refined. We have lived through every single one of those shifts and mastered them. A young specialist can offer you the latest technology, but an experienced eye knows how to use that technology for you specifically, uniquely, and correctly. Because no two smiles are the same. And the right treatment doesn't just come from knowledge, it comes from instinct. And instinct is built over years. Smiling takes courage, especially if you have spent years feeling self-conscious about your teeth, hiding your smile in photos, covering your mouth when you laugh. That kind of courage comes from the trust. Trust in person sitting across from you. For 28 years, we have been showing up every single day to earn that trust, walking through these doors with the same question in mind: whose life are we going to change today?